Blessed day, viewers and subscribers. Welcome to the boss of another video. Jesus God. It don't matter if I'm Monday, it don't matter if I choose to write it. Them man, no sir. Guys, just in. The man them just take on the next big struck over Portmore, guys. Viewers and subscribers, put a like on the video. Them man in the business if I'm Monday. Normally on Sunday, guys, a long time I hear about an attempted robbery on a Sunday. Especially them big robbery of that magnitude. And them a man in a business, you understand? So one security guard get injured, them rush with him, go in the hospital, guys. Boy, may I tell you, if you know so them people risk them life to try, you know, earn an honest living, and these are the things them have to face. So I just one of them things there, guys, just something in a Portmore, and reports are in step by step. So I keep eye on the story, yeah? I'm not gonna know what I go on. Put God first, John Star. Now when I see if to them if go a Portmore right near this one, in the 3 o'clock and right now, I can't sleep, you see me? But big up on yourself, work so I go on. Up.
Yo, me tell you say one piece of shootout a while ago. The man then come for Robbie Big Truck at Scotia Bank. Again, yo. Good people. Yo, good people. Man then come for Robbie Scotia Bank again. One piece of shootout in front of Silverstone there, so. One piece of shootout. Me tell you say yo. One piece of shootout. The man then shut up. Shut out the glass in the ATM. And they come out and run the John Drive and the Bings up. Guards man them again, me I tell you say yo, away man them go in a Portmore. Yeah, police them, me say police crash down there so too. Don't you when them try get them back when them escape. Me sorry say they never catch them man. Oh, you know.